Hola, computers. Hi. Okay. So first, you want to open up Cydia. Wait for that motherfucker to load. Then go to see motherfucker no one wants to hear your voice. Alright? The end. It's a joke, come shit. Waiting for this bitch to load. This one does not want to show my iDemo. You see throughout the whole fucking video, no iDemo. Okay, so it's back up. Waiting for that motherfucker to load packages. Let's go to manage, and then we're gonna do manage. Turn that motherfucking shit up before I jerk off, man. It's not funny. You're gonna go to edit. Cydia. Dot. Ooh, HD. Cydia dot my repo space .com /RATTZ96, and then you're gonna press add source, and then you will get this. And to install all of that shit, this is what you motherfucking get. And then you click on, wait, alright, you click on infiniboard, but the infiniboard does not work for some fucking reason. Then you press install. See this? You press install, motherfuckers. Install. And after you press install, you press motherfucking. You hear me? Not motherfucking. I just swore, yeah. You press install and confirm. And then after that, it goes to your lock screen. And then from your lock screen, you want to go to. You want to go, it's just automatically installed, so you go like that, and then to drag items, you hold them, wait, because items on this page for me don't really work, so you're going to hold it, go on. Alright, so you're gonna hold that. You're gonna drag it to the other page. And you just drop it. And then there you go, you have infiniboard. And then you just hit the home button again. And then, if you want this program called multi-icon to drag multiple icons, which you get the check marks, you go open up Cydia, and you go fuck notice to fun. Shut the fuck up, lazy TV. Wait for that motherfucker to load. you what the fuck? I'm about to say. Okay. Let me see what repo it is. Because I have a lot of fucking repos. Because I rep my hood.
Justin Bieber's Smile, but Kanye's Lights, Best Male Video, and Chris Brown's explosive VMA performance next. And Lady Gaga presents the video vanguard to Britney in 20 minutes.
Okay, so what? So you go to manage, sources, and you edit, add, and type in repo dot insanely I .com. Oh, that sounds fresh. .com, and you press add source, there you go. And then you go to and search for
Vampires. Werewolves. You're clearly a werewolf right now. You're halfway there. You're sure.
Sorry, I'm just looking at this motherfucking shit. Alright. Search for it.
You got a permit to be here? And the cops that protect us all. Sorry, sir. Thought you might have been a zombie. No, sir. I'm snitching.
Or easier, you just go to search
tomorrow at 10:30.
and type in.
I've been doing this for 15 years. And when you dedicate your life to something, you expect something in return.
You press multi with 2 eyes, and then it should pop up right there, multi-iconmover. And this nigga's going to sleep, obviously. And then you press install, but I already have this one. And once you install, you gotta restart your springboard and all that other good shit. What? No, that's snowboarding. Alright, then once you have that, you just hold the app to move it, and you check off all the apps you want to move. You can move as many apps as you want.
Welcome to my world. The world of Red Bull.
Makeup, touch-ups. It's part of my job. With a lathe taking it all off, that's my cleanser's
Yeah, move this whole page of apps.
facial cleansers remove 2 times more dirt and makeup.
And to do it, you just take one app, move it to where you want, press home screen, and press home screen again, and there you go. You have officially fucked yourself.
Yo, look. You got like a mini screwdriver?
Alright, and that is all for today. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.